Hello everyone, let's solve some SQL questions. Today we are on this website called Scratch. You can find SQL questions and Python questions for various roles as outlined here. So we'll be using MySQL and they have some free questions that we can practice on. Here we have SQL questions by various companies and difficulties that you can try your hands on. So for example, this one we have for Amazon. Here we have to find workers with highest salaries. So let's read the question. Find the job titles of employees with highest salary. If employees have same highest salary, include job titles for such employees. Okay, and they have given two tables here, that is worker and the title. So we have, let's look at some sample records. We have worker ID, name, salaries, etc. And then the title. So worker reference ID, title, and the date of joining date. So let's look at the expected output. That is, we have to find the title based on the highest salary. Okay. All right. So let's uh, let's organize our thoughts and let's begin writing our query. Let's clear this one out first. So it's a best practice to usually first note down your thoughts so that you keep yourself aligned while solving the query. So here the aim is to find the job title based on the salary. Now the next thing you can do is to write the table names and the joins that are going to be required in order to successfully solve the question. So here we are going to use worker table and join it to the title table in order to get the titles. That is our aim. So we can use worker ID from the worker table and join it with the worker ref ID in the title table. So let's write the two tables and then the inner join from worker table to the title table. Let's give these aliases so that we can write the column names in short. That is w dot worker underscore id. You can copy paste equal to titles worker reference id. This will using this we will be able to join the two tables. T dot. Okay, so first we can just get a feel of the number of records that we get, etc. Is everything initially working fine? So yeah, looks like everything is working fine and we can move to the next step, that is finding the records with highest salary. So we can use where clause where we need to find salary with all the salaries where the salaries are the highest. So here I'm using the inner query, that is we can put where salary equal to and then select the maximum salary. Now we have gotten the records with the highest salaries, and in the same output we also have the titles. Now just our job is going to be fetching those titles, that is worker title. So we'll have to use distinct clause because I'm just using it as a best practice here, because there can be two managers with same high salaries but we want only the title names. So yeah, let's check, and it's a good good query. So yeah, you can pause this, have a look at it, and take a stab at it if you want on this website. All right, now let's try a few more questions. We have this Forbes question which says most profitable companies. Let's have a look at it. So let's read the question. You have to find three most profitable companies in the world. And we have only one table, Forbes Global 2010 2014. We have company name, some columns, etc., etc., and the profits. I believe we have to find based on profits. Yes. Let's look at expected output, and yeah, we have company and profits. So we need two columns. And here the catch is two companies have same profits, but they still need to be here. So just using descending and limit by 3 won't work. We'll have to use some advanced function here. So let's start working out our logic. Let's get the table name that we have our records in. Top 3 profitable companies. Select from table name. Let's check if the table is giving all the records. Yes. Now we need to find the ranks based on the profits. So although the rank is already given here, I don't trust it. Let's derive our own rank. We don't know what rank they have already given. So we can use either rank or dense rank based on the use case. So let's go with dense rank so that we can directly shortlist top 3 ranks. So I think we don't need partition by clause here because there's no partition to do. We just need directly ordered them by profits. So let's remove partition by clause and use the order by clause. Order by profits, which is a given column, and in descending order. Let's give this an alias as RNK, which stands for rank. Now let's take a look at how our column is looking. It's looking good. Now let's use all of these fields to finally derive our output. So I'm putting this whatever we have written into an inner clause, inner subquery. So can you select company and the profits, which is already being derived in our inner query, inner subquery. Let's put all the query we have written so far into inner subquery. Let's give it an alias, which is a rule for inner subquery. As X, you can give anything you want, and where rank is less than equal to 3 because we have to find top 3 profitable companies. And let's order by rank. So yeah, this is looking good and we are good to go. Okay, now on to the next question. So let's pick one more. We saw Amazon, Forbes. Now which one? Let's go for Google. So activity rank. Let's read the question in detail. So find the email activity rank for each user. Email activity rank is defined by the total number of emails sent. The user, that is the user number with highest email sent, will have rank of 1. So it's quite intuitive, and there are a lot of conditions on the output. That is, we have to sort the users, we have to return unique rank even if multiple users have same number of emails. Okay, you can pause the video and read the question once more if you want. So we have only one table. Okay, we have from user to user day. Okay, expected output. Oh, looks like they have mistakenly answered, given the answer, but yeah, let's cover it. Let's not say it. Let's write our own query in order to get the output. So from user will be some alphanumeric ID, which is the, I believe, unique identifier. So we need to order records by total number of emails in descending order. Let's start working out our solution. Let's close this. Let's get the table name. Make sure to read each and every statement properly so that you are well aligned and you set yourself up for success. Email activity rank based on total number of emails sent. Now the intention would be to group by the user ID and then count the number of emails sent, and from then we'll proceed to ranking function. So first, let's see. Oops. Okay, we missed select star. Okay, we are getting all the records. Okay, now let's count the number of emails sent per user using count function. So count star per user, then we'll have to group by one. That is group by first column. We can also use group by from user. It will work the same. So here we are getting the number of emails sent per user. Now it's in random order. We'll have to order this one as well. Let's give the alias for our counts first. And now let's look at output once more. We have number of emails sent and then the rank. Okay. So let's put all of this into a subquery and then derive the rank based on the number of counts. So select from all of this that we just wrote. Let's give alias to the subquery. Based on the output given on the left hand side, I'm just trying to replicate it. So we have from user, we have counts, and then now we have to write the rank function. You can use row number or rank, whichever you feel is the best. I believe that rank function suits much better here. So let's write rank order by counts. And then let's see this. Okay, now we have gotten same rank for the first two. That's because our order by clause does not include ordering based on the alphanumerical order. So let's include that clause in our order by clause in the rank function. Just making sure I'm capturing every detail. This way we'll get the ordering based on names as well. Alright, looks good. We have counts and we have ranks. So each unique user is identified uniquely and based on total number of emails sent. Let's check and good. We are done. So let's compare what they have done. So they have done directly using row number and similar, almost similar. We derived counts separately. They have directly derived it here. You can do whichever way you prefer. I prefer to break down every single thing, go to the granular level as much as possible, so that in the bigger organizations it's easier to troubleshoot the queries. So let's. They have given their own solution as well, which is similar to what we just expected using row number or rank. You can use whichever you prefer. Alright, so good working session. We solved 3 questions, one from Forbes, one from Amazon, and one from Google. So yeah, you come to this website, solve as many questions as you want. It's a good practice. I hope you enjoyed this learning session, and I will see you in the next video.